So I will talk. My name is Hui Guan. I'm from AIS. I'm an algorithm expert in AIS. So maybe I will introduce my company. So the full name of our company is Shenzhen Advanced River System Technology. So it is committed to becoming a leading blockchain distributed cloud storage server provider. So our company is founded in 2010 in Shenzhen, uh, and it's a national and Shenzhen high-tech enterprise. Uh, our company has consisted focused on original and new technology development and possesses nearly 60 patents. And most of these patents are invention patents. These patents are related to blockchain, private cloud, and other fields. In 2014, the ARS launched the ARS Private Cloud Project to explore the consumer's cloud storage market and develop the first consumer private cloud server in the world. In 2017, ARS launched the IPFS plan that focuses on practical applications of IPFS technology in the commercial sector. In 2018 and 2019, ARS was the only Chinese company to be invited to attend the IPFS Worldwide Developer Conferences twice in a row. In the first quarter of 2020, ARS created the first node to reach 1 PB and 2 PB computing power on the Filecoin testnet, which is also the only 2 PB node in the first phase of the testnet. ARSYUN has always pursued innovation and is committed to becoming a leading blockchain distributed cloud storage service provider that consistently creates value for customers. ARSYUN has established an experienced, skilled, and highly collaborative R&D team. The core technical team members have 10 to 25 years of professional experience covering hardware, operating systems, container technology, microservices, distributed cloud storage, distributed databases, cross-platform clients, instant messaging, IPFS file blockchain, smart contracts, etc. So this is the introduction of our company. So in the space race, miners of ARS reach total power about now it's about 8, I think it's about 80 PB, maybe total percent of 15. So okay, now let me introduce our members. The first one is our CEO, whose name is Rihe Zhang. So Rihe Zhang is CEO of ARS, undergraduate from Jingdezhen Ceramic Institute, good at research in algorithm, mathematical modeling, token economics, tokenology, economics, and philosophy, holding multiple patents for invention, ever doing sales work in Arrow Electronics, a Fortune 500 company, leading iterations of advanced product solutions in several industries, with a unique understanding of chip industry, smartphone industry, cloud storage industry, intelligent electronic system industry, With 15 years of experience in electronic IT industry, with deep insight into development of industry structure, he thinks that like excellent products and excellent companies should not only bring big value for the user, but also necessarily be an assistive model. The second member is Wei Yang, whose English name is Wen. He is CTO of AIS. Get a master degree in Harbin Institute of Technology and full stack software engineer with many years of senior management experience, including product management, project management, etc. Currently focusing on the IPFS Filecoin field, and he has participated in the 2018 and 2019 IPFS Global Developer Conference, and in the Filecoin testnet. AIS support miners have always been at the top of the industry. He focused on team management, software agriculture with efficient lending ability. The main direction is microservice architecture, PaaS architecture, embedded system, IPFS Filecoin, blockchain, distributed cloud storage technology, and the latest technology research and applications. More than 10 years of work experience, worked in ZTE, Gongjin Electronics, Com Electronics, continuous learners, efficient learning ability, ability to communicate with logical thinking ability. Attitude determines everything. So now we introduce the third member, Yonghui Guan, whose title is now the expert of algorithm. Yonghui Guan got a PhD in Texas A&M in 2016 in the major of mathematics, during which he visited University of California, Berkeley, and Simons Institute for the Theory of Computing. Hui Guan joined AIS in May 2020. His research focused on applications of fundamental mathematics and artificial intelligence in all kinds of engineering, like engineering, computer science, and whose main work in it was computer science and computer vision and machine learning 3 years, for 3 years, and now joined the IIS for the Filecoin research for about half a year. The first member is Sushi, who is economic expert of AIS, who got a PhD in economics in City University of Hong Kong, who is Shenzhen Peacock Project high-level talents, and macroeconomics and corporate finance research expert. Used to work at a research institute affiliated to a large trust company and a well-known financial technology company. Research results and related articles have been published in academic journals such as China Finance and the Financial Circle. He has relatively rich practical experience in blockchain application. Guide aerial blockchain technology has been successfully implemented in the fields of supply chain finance and the small and the medium-sized enterprises financing. As a member of the Chinese Internet of Things blockchain supply chain financial standard formulation member, he participated in the formulation of relevant industry standards. Okay, now this is the introduction of our company.